So today we're going to teach you how to make a delicious millet porridge. Millet porridge is really good to help with intestinal stagnation and also help with if people have nausea and after surgery and or before surgery, or people have heart palpitation or just kind of loose stool, things like that. Have millet porridge. It's really a lifesaver, especially people who are, we see a lot of patients that we help them to prepare for surgery, so they often ask the first 5 days after surgery, what should I drink, what should I eat? One thing is a must, is you must have 12 to 15 ounces of millet porridge after surgery. And we make step one. We can get this ready in the clinic for you. This is 20 goji berries, 5 pieces of shen, 3 dazao. This serves as our herbal base. So this one, and then this is 1/3 cup of organic millet. You first put 1/3 cup of organic millet in a small pan is fine that I use. You need to find something bigger than this, but this type will do. Step 2, 5 cup of water. Put it together and then put all the herbs in. Before you put dates in, you break it. And then bring it to a boil. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Turn to simmer for another 45 minutes. Turn it off. Then you have a delicious millet porridge that will come out about 15 to 20 ounces. I would encourage you, especially people after surgery that have the first 5 days, have your liquids taking millet porridge as a part of liquid and also as a part of food. This is a dish that for people who, again, it could be people have constipation or people who have who wants a little bit more of regular bowel movements, and you do not need to put the wood ear mushroom in if that is too much trouble for you. But at least boil the beets. The beets first, you boil it with skin on. Clean it up, boil it with skin on, and then until it's done. And take the skin off and cube them. And then I like to use horseradish herbs and a little bit lemon juice just to stir in and mixing it really well. This goes really well with the millet porridge. This, again, if people after surgery say, oh, I really need my first bowel movements, I really need to release gas, I really need to kind of have some taste in my mouth, and this goes really well with porridge.